On the Citan, replace the front bumper. Open the hood and remove the 5 screws holding the front grille. With a plastic wedge, unclip the front grille and carefully remove it. Now raise the car a bit, because you now have to work on the inner fenders. There, unscrew this screw. Use the plastic wedge to remove 2 rivets. Then undo the inner fender from the bumper. Once you've done this, lever out the inner fender and remove this screw. Disconnect the plug connector of the front wiring harness. Once you've carried out the work on the other side, go underneath the car. Here, unscrew 4 screws. Two more screws and the bumper is ready to remove. To do this, get a colleague to help you. Together, undo the bumper and take it off. The work is now complete. The installation is then performed in the reverse order.